everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So it's been an exciting week this week. It's been my 50th birthday. Oh dear, it's finally starting to hit me just how old I'm getting. Anyway, we've been making wood burning stoves all week, managed to get everything out that we needed to, and it's Friday and we're heading down to the Peak District to do some wildish camping. It's on an actual campsite, but there's no electric, etc., so we're considering it to be wild camping. So as part of my 50th birthday, I got loads and loads of new camping gear. One of the exciting things that I've got on the roof at the moment is an Enigma fishing kayak, which we're going to try out. I've also got in the back of the Transit the Robens Grande Klondike, the Robens Hunter Tent Stove. I've got a Buffalo Dutch oven and loads of new furniture, some reindeer rugs to go down in the tent, and I've made a little hearth so that we don't get any more sparks onto the ground sheet of the tent, because we did get a few sparks last time. So I've made a little heat shield to go on there, and yeah, we're really excited. It's going to be quite a clear night tonight. It's going to be quite cool, I think, so we'll have the stove lit, and I'm really excited to try out a Starlapse on the Insta360. So I've got loads of stuff that I want to do this weekend. So next time you see us, we'll be pulling up on the site, getting the tent up and getting cozy, and hopefully you'll catch me out on the kayak if I can find somewhere to go. So yeah, thanks for coming back to the channel. Do us a favour, like and subscribe to the video. We've got loads of new stuff coming up, loads of new camp gear reviews. The next one's going to be a ghillie kettle from Kelly's Kettles. Really excited about that. That should come in the post this week, so we'll be reviewing that this week. And if you've got any questions on the camping gear that we use, where we go, how-tos, you know, anything that we use in the video, put us a note in the comments. I answer to every single comment, so nobody gets ignored. So thanks for coming to the channel. Please subscribe, like the video, and I hope you enjoy it. See you on the campsite. Welcome back. So as you know, it was my 50th birthday this week, and my family treated me to this Enigma fishing kayak. So we've just brought it down to Worley Bridge Wharf. We're doing some camping, as you know, so we've just brought it down here to try it out. So I'm really pleased with it so far. So we camped out in Derbyshire last night. It was quite a nice camp. We took the Robens Hunter Tent Stove with us. We had a little bit of an issue because it was really windy up on the moors and we were getting downdraft, and what it was doing was filling the tent with smoke. So what we're going to do when I get back to the workshop is I'm going to make an anti-downdraft cowl for it, and hopefully that'll stop that. But just a quick tip, if you're using the Robens Hunter Tent Stove and you start to get smoked out because of downdraft, just put plenty of fuel in it and then shut the vents down. Once the vents are shut down, it'll start to draw, but you need to keep the front vent fully shut. If you don't, you'll have smoke pouring out of the air wash and pouring out the front vent. So yeah, try that, see how you get on. Morning. Morning, you alright? Just a coffee, please.
Okay. There you go,
That's spot on, thank you very much. Go and find a peaceful corner and sit and have a coffee.
Well, there's a few up here now today.
Yeah.
Places. Alright, mate.
So, cheers, thank you.
Nice day, mate.
See you later. John.
John, pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Paul.
Cheers, Paul, thank you. So, got me coffee. Let's go and find a quiet spot to have a coffee then. Look at this I've just spotted at the side of the canal. Got the Brewdog Hazy Jane, 0 alcohol. That's the beer for tonight. The sun's setting. We got the fire lit. There we go, alcohol free. See what this is like. Oh yeah, that's good. So we're here on the campsite, the sun's setting. We've got Joe behind the camera. Jackson's enjoying the last of the sunshine on his camp bed. My wife Saz is enjoying an alcohol-free Heineken. The camp stove's lit and we've just had a steak and then we're doing hot chocolate and then we'll be getting ready for bed very shortly. So we'll see you guys later. Right guys, that's it. We're all packed up. That's another camping trip done. It was really great. The Robens tent, as usual, was absolutely fantastic with the tent stove in. It got down to about 1 degree last night and it was all good. So everything's packed up. Kayak's back on the roof. It's time to hit the road. But what a magnificent day. Just look at this weather. So if you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for the next camping adventure. So from me, see you soon.